Hey everyone, if your Chrome extensions are not updating in 2026, like stuck on old versions, failing to update, or showing errors, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix Chrome extensions update issues. First, restart your browser inside Google Chrome. This clears temporary glitches that often block update processes. Next, check your internet connection. Extensions need a stable network to download updates properly. Now, update Chrome itself. Outdated browser versions often prevent extensions from updating correctly. After that, check if automatic updates are enabled. If they are turned off, extensions won't update automatically. Next, disable conflicting extensions temporarily. Some extensions interfere with each other and block updates. Now, clear your cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interrupt update processes. Finally, remove and reinstall the extension. This forces a fresh installation of the latest version. So yeah, that's how you fix Chrome extensions update issues in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your extensions should update normally again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more browser tutorials for fast and easy fixes. Hey everyone.